If your Android phone's battery seems to drain faster than it should, the culprit might not be the apps you use. It could be the Google Play Store itself. The most Android users never check the Play Store settings after setting up their device. The good news? With just a few simple changes, you can reduce unnecessary background activity, improve battery life, and even save mobile data. Here are the 3 Play Store settings you should consider turning off or changing. 1. Stop automatic app updates. By default, the Play Store automatically updates apps in the background. Large app updates can use significant CPU power, storage, and internet bandwidth. If several apps update at once, your battery percentage can drop much faster than expected. Open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Go to Settings. Tap Network Preferences. Tap Auto-Update Apps. Choose the Don't Auto-Update Apps. 2. Google Play Protect Settings. If you frequently install apps from outside the Google Play Store, also known as sideloading, you may want to adjust your Google Play Protect settings. If you trust the source of the app you're installing, you can temporarily disable Play Protect to complete the installation. Just remember to turn it back on afterward to help keep your device protected from malicious apps. Open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Tap Play Protect. Tap Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Toggle off the both options. 3. Notification settings. Manage notification for important Play Store settings like pre-registration, deals and promotions, gaming community, etc. Open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap Notifications. Turning off or on the option from the notification settings. By changing these 3 Play Store settings, you can reduce unnecessary background activity, save battery, use less mobile data, and make your Android phone run more efficiently. If you haven't checked your Google Play Store settings in a while, now is the perfect time. And that's all.